Hello and happy Valentine's Day, my friends. Hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 260 on Ellen's Homemade Delight. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious, marvelous red velvet pancakes. And these are the bomb.com. They are so simple and easy to make. And we're going to put a cream cheese glaze on. These would make a great breakfast or brunch treat. And these pancakes will satisfy your sweetheart on Valentine's Day. And I'll put the complete recipe and instructions down below in the description box. So grab your red food coloring and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to cook some red velvet pancake magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 jumbo eggs at room temperature. We're going to add in half a cup of white sugar, a third of a cup of melted unsalted butter, one and a half tablespoons of red food coloring, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of red velvet flavor. And all we do is whisk everything until it's nice and well combined. I can smell that red velvet flavor. Alright, my friends, I'm through whisking the wet ingredients. Isn't that a pretty red color? Alright, next we're going to add in the dry ingredients. I have 2 cups of self-rising flour with 3 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Going to slowly whisk that in. And whisk until it's nice and well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the pancake batter. Alright, that looks great. Now we're ready to cook them. Alright, my friends, I got my griddle nice and hot at 350 degrees, and I'm using oil, or you can use butter or cooking spray. So now we're ready to put our pancakes on, and I'm using my 1/3 cup measurement. Like so. Perfect, nice and golden brown. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish cooking the rest of my pancakes and I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells like red velvet pancakes up in this kitchen. Smells heavenly. Alright, I'm through cooking my pancakes. Now we're ready to assemble them. Over here in my bowl, I made my cream cheese glaze, which is 6 ounces of room temperature cream cheese spread with 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter softened. And I added 2 cups of sifted powdered sugar, a half a cup of milk, and a half a teaspoon each of vanilla and cream cheese flavor. So now we're ready to spread the pancake with the cream cheese glaze. Alright, my friends, I got the cream cheese glaze on top of the pancake. Now we're ready to put the second pancake on top. Alright, my friends, I got the second pancake on top. Now we're going to put some of the cream cheese glaze on top. Alright, my friends, I got the cream cheese glaze on top. Now we're going to put the last pancake over it. Alright, my friends, I put the pancake on top, and there's a couple of things we got to add to them. A dusting of powdered sugar and a drizzling of that cream cheese glaze. OMG, that looks delicious. And a strawberry on top. Ooh, wee, gorgeous. And there you have it, my friends. Southern red velvet pancakes. Doesn't that look amazing and beautiful? Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that texture. These are so incredibly delicious. It's so light and fluffy, bursting with red velvet goodness. Once you taste these, you'll be in red velvet pancake heaven. So luscious and scrumptious. This deserves another bite. That cream cheese glaze, awesome. Red velvet pancake delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed the video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Valentine's Day. Much love.